Welcome to Alam's One, and in English to English vocabulary section, the word for today is optimistic. 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 The word optimistic is a noun that means hopeful about the future, expecting the best possible outcome. Like we say, I'm having an optimistic approach about our plans. Don't be sad, be optimistic. Everything will be fine. Being optimistic is good, but you should be ready for the worst also. So the meaning of the word optimistic is hopeful about the future or expect the best possible outcome. A very good quotation about the word optimistic is, don't be too optimistic. The light at the end of the tunnel may be another train. If you have understood the meaning of the word optimistic, then try making a sentence and write it in the comment section below so that others can also get benefit from it. If you like this video, then please do share it with your friends so that they can also get the meaning of the word optimistic. If you got any benefit from this video, then please like it and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Good luck.